Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your savings with Mastercard step by step. To protect your savings with Mastercard, start by logging into your online banking account. Locate the security settings section within your account dashboard. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Next, consider setting up account alerts for suspicious transactions. These alerts can notify you of any unusual activity in real time. Then, review your recent transactions for any unauthorized charges. If you spot anything suspicious, report it to your bank immediately. Next, familiarize yourself with Mastercard's zero liability policy. This policy ensures you won't be held responsible for unauthorized purchases. Ensure your contact information is up to date for any alerts. Consider using Mastercard's digital wallet feature for additional security. This feature protects your card details during online transactions. Regularly update your passwords and ensure they're strong and unique. Avoid using the same password across different accounts. If you travel, inform your bank to avoid issues with purchases abroad. Be cautious when using public Wi-Fi for banking or shopping online. Use a virtual private network (VPN) for added security when accessing your accounts. Lastly, regularly monitor your credit report for any signs of fraud. Taking these steps can significantly enhance the security of your savings with Mastercard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.